Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Lauderhill, Florida. The Lauderhill police is seeking assistance with the trigger man that has slain two Jamaicans in the city of Lauderhill, Broward County, South Florida. Greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. We're in need of your comment. Ladies and gentlemen, Lauderhill, Florida, Broward County. Police are investigating the double shooting that ended in two men's life in Lauderhill Wednesday night. It is being rumored that their name are Muscleman, street name, and Fordlawrd. It's also being rumored that sixth boss, Andre Whitaker, has been injured also. Just a rumor, ladies and gentlemen. The shooting happened just after 9 p.m. near the 5,000 block of Blueberry in Lauderhill, Florida. Authorities said that police arrived on the scene and encountered two men suffering from apparent gunshot wounds in the parking lot area. Police said both victims were pronounced dead on the scene. The victims have not been identified, but rumors in the street are saying they go by the name of Muscleman and Fordlawrd. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's been said that the sixth boss also was hit in the hand and grazed in the neck. Muscleman is said to be an ex-military veteran in the United States, as Fordlawrd is an up-and-coming Jamaican entertainer. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sky 10 news that I'm reading from here from the local 10 news on Thursday morning captured heavy police on the scene in the area. A hail of bullets from what is believed to be a semi-automatic weapon was heard on the neighbor's surveillance camera system. Witness told the authorities that there were a third person involved in this shooting who had fled the scene in the vehicle, and police has prioritized that person. Authorities have contacted the Woodmount Hospital in Tamarack, which they notified the Lauderhill police that there was a male who arrived at the location suffering from gunshot wounds. Detectives said it is unknown at this time if the male at the hospital is related to the incident. Sarah Anward spoke to the Lauderdale residents, and they said that they heard gunshots before and did not take it as anything. But when they heard shots returning, they said they realized something was bad. The person interviewed said, "I'm sad. The scene has been secured for investigation, and anyone with information on the suspect is being asked to call the Lauderhill, Florida, there in Broward County Police Department, phone number 954-497-4700, or contact Broward County Crime Stopper at 954-493-8477. Ladies and gentlemen, there are comments down here. Nate has said, did they check their voters registration? The other person said, Truth Sayer said, welcome to Lauderhill. A mission man said in the comment, Lauderhood, strike again. Joe D. DeFera says, maybe Lauderhill west of Turnpike is dangerous enough to call Lauderhill, like some people in the comments said, but I live in Lauderhill east of the Turnpike, and it is quite a quiet neighborhood. East of the Turnpike is bad, especially near Lauderhill Mall. That's west. Actually, yes, it is east of the turnpike. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's another sad situation. Young Jamaicans in the United States, before them live up at them life, it appears that they're doing things to give up. It's unfortunate for these young men to have lost their life in such a gruesome way. It is said that, multiple shots was given to both the victims. And also the assailant that escaped, rumors saying is a squash off the sixth boss, picked up one in his hand and was grazed by his neck. Hopefully the artist have a speedy recovery. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV saying R.I.P. the Muscleman. Yeah, R.I.P. Yeah, the Fordlawrd, young youths them. And it's unfortunate that they have met their demise in such a gruesome way at such of a young age. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen, reporting live, Deep Roots TV, reporting that the Lauderhill police is looking for the trigger person for the killing of Muscleman and Fordlawd in the Lauderhill area, Broward County, South Florida. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Hit that red subscribe button. Leave your comment. Contact the Lauderhill Police Department here in Broward County, South Florida if you have any information on this case. More life, more joy, more happiness. R.I.P. to Muscleman. R.I.P. the Fordlawrd.